Hello children, this is your online class of SST. Welcome to this class. Today we are going to discuss lesson first of geography, that is environment. After the long vacation, when Ravi started going to school again, he noticed that the only playground next to his school was dug up. People said that a building with many flats will be constructed there. Ravi was almost in tears. In the class, Ravi asked his teacher, "What is environment?" The teacher replied, "Whatever you see in your surroundings." Ravi thought aloud. That means the school building, tables, chairs in the classroom, even that open field, the garbage, etc. All are parts of our environment. The teacher said, "Wait. Some objects are created by nature. For example, mountains, trees, rivers, animals. Others are made by people. For example, roads, cars, clothes, books." Now, you understand that the place, people, things and nature that surround any living organism is called environment. It is a combination of natural and human-made phenomena. While the natural environment refers to both biotic and abiotic conditions existing on the earth, human environment reveals the activities, creations and interactions among human beings. Land, water, air, plants and animals comprise the natural environment. You are familiar with the meaning of lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere from your previous class. Lithosphere is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals and covered by a thin layer of soil. It is an irregular surface with various landforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, etc. The domain of water is referred to as hydrosphere. It comprises various sources of water and different types of water bodies like rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, etc. It is essential for all living organisms. The atmosphere is the thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. The gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere around it. It protects us from the harmful rays and scorching heat of the sun. It consists of a number of gases, dust and water vapor. The changes in the atmosphere produce change in the weather and climate. Plant and animal kingdom together make biosphere or the living world. It is a narrow zone of the earth where land, water and air interact with each other to support life. All plants, animals and human beings depend on their immediate surroundings. Often they are also interdependent on each other. This relation between the living organisms as well as the relation between the organisms and their surroundings form an ecosystem. There could be an ecosystem of large rainforest, grassland, desert, mountains, lake, river, ocean, and even a small pond. Human beings interact with the environment and modify it according to their need. Early humans adapted themselves to the natural surroundings. They led a simple life and fulfilled their requirements from the nature around them. With time, needs grew and humans learned new ways to use and change environment. They learned to grow crops, domesticate animals, and lead a settled life. The wheel was invented. Surplus food was produced. Barter system emerged. Trade started and commerce developed. Industrial revolution enabled large-scale production. Transportation became faster. Information revolution made communication easier and speedy across the world. Dear children, protect the earth. Only then we will be safe, because protecting the earth is about protecting us all. When you can't hug pupil, hug a tree. So children, this lesson has been completed. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.